Hello there, let's talk today about docking station for Windows laptop. As you can see, I have my Dell laptop running with two external monitors using this docking station. Okay, there are different docking stations. This one works with 3 monitors. I'm using just 2, and that's the brand. Here is a TobenOne docking station. Okay, you just need to make sure that your computer can work with the docking station. Just check the compatibility. In this case, for example, I have this computer with this USB-C port, which is not in alt mode, right? If you have alt mode, you can have 3 monitors working here. In my case, I don't have alt mode here, so I can use only 2 external monitors with this specific docking station, okay? Here, for example, if you take a look, I can move any application here between monitors, super simple, and I can arrange this the way I want here on the Windows display. If I come here, right click and come to display settings, as you can see here, I have this screen and I can identify any monitor. You see 1, 2, and 3, and then let me just show you here better with the close-up that I have the monitors here. Okay, the display monitors, and then here I can rearrange them in different positions. Here number 2, if I want, I can put it here, the number 3 here, then I have them aligned that way. Okay, in my case here, I just use like this with the laptop here in the center and the 2 monitors here on the top. Super simple. Then you can check the resolution for each monitor here. And if you have like a 4K monitor, for example, you can have the HDMI port number 1 working with 4K, and port number 2 and 3 they work with 2K for this specific docking station. Okay, so depending on the docking station that you have and depending on the computer that you have, you can use this alt mode port to have an extra port working. So super simple. Let's just take a look more here on the docking station itself. Here in front you see there's a power button, an LED, so you can see the dock station is on, and then a micro SD card slot just right here, and SD card as well, USB 3.0, 2 of them, USB-C 3.0, and here an input for headphones, right? And the connection here with the USB-C cable. Here on the back, let me just show you better. There we go, that's the brand, TobenOne. And here you see that I have HDMI input here, HDMI 1, 2, and 3. I'm not using the HDMI 1 because I need the alt mode port for the laptop, which I don't have here right now. And here you see USB 3.0, 3.0 as well. The connection for the USB cable here, USB-C. Connection with the LAN port if I want to connect to a router, for example. And here connection to the power supply, which comes with this docking station. So super simple, works pretty well. Okay, I've been using this for some time, works pretty fine here. Okay, and let me just show here an example with the specs for a laptop. So if you want to use alt mode, for example, let me just come here to Amazon.com. There we go. And then here you see that I have a Dell computer and I need to check the specs here. So if I take a look here, I see this one. Okay, number 7 here shows the USB 4 Gen 2 Type-C with power delivery and display port. Okay, so basically when you come down and take a look at the image here, you see the port number 7. It's a port that has this alt mode, which allows you to have an extra monitor connecting here, HDMI USB-C to HDMI converter, for example, or you can connect to your docking station just like I have here, and have this HDMI port working, right? So leave the link here in the description for this docking station. If you want it, you can just get it on Amazon, and just like this video, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.